Nagilongga na. Ay, hintay mo na.
Everybody close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes.
Very nice. Then, but really, she's very nice and generous talaga. Later, we will have a little ukay. It's like ukay gift, you know. She sent me a lot of good ukay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday wish.
She also said you're the only one that hasn't said anything about it.
Nagilongga na. Ay, hintay mo na natin sa
You are the sunshine of my life.
Hi, Tulsi girl.
Yeah. Ano ba naman ang sikreto mo, Rocky? Mali sa isip ko, Rocky. Gayuma ang gamit mo, Rocky. Yeah, that's why I always feel right.
Martin, you read the lyrics.
You are the apple of my eye.
Is that your lyrics? Ayan, okay.
Forever you stay.
Yan yung San Miguel kasi
Break.
laro namin doon sa Grow dahil kasi
Yeah,
nag-tandem
pag
kami.
nagbe-break kayo.
Nagsiserve kami ni Paul si at that time sa Grow. Then you can si Tres. Oh, sige. Ano yung favorite mo? San Miguel. Totoo? San Miguel? May San Miguel.
Coffee.
Hello!